Welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing this palette right here, the Festival by Juvias. This is a first impressions video, and if you are new to my channel, my first impressions videos is where I try to put every shade in the palette on my eyeballs just to get a feel of the formula and the color story in the palette. So let's go ahead and look at the palette. Those are the colors. I guess there's no mirror, so I don't have to worry about reflecting it. There you go. I'm going to swatch these and I will be right back. Okay, so these are the colors swatched. Very pretty. And we are going to go ahead and get started. And I think I'm going to start with, give me a second here, I think I want to start with this color right here. Alright, so now I'm going to buff out the color with that along the top edges. Okay, so I think I'm going to go in the bottom area with this color right here. Okay, now I'm going to go in with this color here. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this dark color here. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this black color right here. Alright, so now that we have too much eyeshadow and everything is kind of not looking the greatest, I am going to go over it with another color, this one right here. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this really light color right here. I guess it's not a light color, it's white, but I'm going to go in with it. Okay, last color in the palette will be this one right here, and that is going under the eyes. Okay, so we are moving on to eyeliner. And bottom eyeliner, I have Nor by Autonomy. Top liner, I am using Sugar and I'll Be Black. Alright, for mascara, I am using the Punk Volumizer. Alright, so for lips, I'm going to keep it nude. I am going to go in with Glam Light Bon Appetit for a liquid lipstick. And I'm going to go over that with Beauty Bakery Holy Cannoli. I'm going to use that as a topper, yeah. Actually, I changed my mind. So, because I changed my mind, what I'm going to go with for my lips, I am going to use Sugar Rush in Cupcake, because it's a little bit more pink. And I am going to still use the Beauty Bakery as a topper. Okay, so there is the finished look. So let's go ahead and talk about the palette. Okay, so everything swatched fine. The color, the palette itself, it did have a little fallout. And I did have a little bit, it wasn't as pigmented as I would like when I first applied it, but it did build up, and as far as that's concerned, not an issue. These palettes are relatively affordable, and you really do get a great payoff for the price. So I don't really have anything negative to say other than that, and I don't really think of that as negative. I think these are really beautiful colors. I think it's a great palette, and I do recommend. So if you like this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think of the look with all these shades. Do you like it? Is it too much? Let me know. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.